Good evening, namaskar, adab, vanakkam, and welcome once again to your favorite destination.
India's only nationwide news platform.
We're not just a Noida, Delhi, or Mumbai based news channel. We also want to reach out. We want to talk to all our friends, our well wishers, our viewers, south of India's as well.
Heart in southern states. Focus across India.
Ram Raj kaise aayega, sir?
Why are you speaking about what's going on in Rajasthan?
This positioning is enough.
At India Ahead, we make it a point that our focus is on the south, and today it's going to be Tamil Nadu back to back.
On your mobile, on your TV screen, India's only multi-platform, multi-state news entity.
You're watching Bihar Ahead with me, Prudent.
Good evening and welcome. I'm Varnit Gupta and you're watching Uttar Pradesh Ahead.
India's only news entity where the viewer is the editor.
Hello and welcome. You're watching People's Editor. I am Ridhima Bhatnagar.
India's only news entity which focuses on just news.
Hello and a big namaste from India Ahead News to all our viewers in India and those in the US watching our exclusive coverage. Top focus this hour, it's a story that resonates with the common man.
At India Ahead, we want you to be ahead on the news front. We want you to be ahead on the information front, on the front of facts, so that you can beat the real pandemic of fake news and real noise. Come, be a part of the journey with us.